friends, welcome back to Mehndi Love. So today I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna play music using mehndi designs on a bride's hand. So before that, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram page Mehndi Love for more details and mehndi designs. And let me show you how I'm gonna play this using my mobile. So first of all, we need our mehndi design, and the design at the center is called Spotify code, and we need this Spotify code for scanning on our mobile app. And make sure that you're gonna draw this with proper precisions, because each of the bar and each lines and everything has a proper dimension, and if you're gonna change that, you are not gonna play this song. The code is not gonna work. So make sure that your dimension is really proper and everything is pakka and everything is correct as seen on the Spotify app for scanning this code. Now our mehndi design is almost complete, and let me show you how I'm gonna scan this using our app in the mobile device. And for that you need a Spotify app, and you can download that from Play Store, and let me show you now. So I have opened the Spotify app in my mobile device, and at the top right corner there is a camera option. Take that, and there is our scanning option, and we have to scan this code and make sure that it is proper, clear, with full clarity, and all the bars are visible on the square screen. Then our code will be scanned by our mobile app. So my code got scanned, and let's play the music, and this is my favorite song. This is my favorite song, and if you want to play any other song using the Spotify app by scanning your code on your bride's hand, then take your Spotify app, open it, and at the bottom level there is a search option. Then there, go and tap your favorite song, and now I'm gonna type Baby Shark, and see there at the top itself there is Baby Shark, and at the top right corner there is 3 dots. Click on them, and there is your Spotify code. So let me show you once more. At the top right corner there is 3 dots. Click on them, and there is your Baby Shark. This is our Spotify code. So copy them on your bride's hand, and you have that music. So I hope you like my video, and I hope it was a little bit of variety or a different kind of video. So subscribe to my channel, follow on my Instagram page, stay connected, and see you in the next video.